Today, we're going to talk about the 2 worst words we hear in the AV industry on a daily basis. Okay, that's pretty bad, but that's actually not what I'm talking about. No, that comes later. Okay, really? No, I'm not talking about that. That's not even funny. Okay, that's not even 2 words. That got weird. What I actually want to talk about is good. Mounted, tested, firmware updated, IP confirmed. Oh, gotta say, looks pretty good. Thanks, I was glad we were able to get all 25 of these players and digital signage screens up for you this week. It worked really well. One minor thing, why isn't our company logo on there? Right, that's the logo of the players, right? So this is the default logo. You have to load your content onto the players to show your company stuff. What do you mean, load our content? Well, the players set up on your network, we got the IP address from your IT department, so your communications team can now log in, push content, whatever's required now. What? I wasn't even told that. We don't even have a communications team. So what do I gotta do to get this thing up and running? Did you not attend the training course to put content on these players? No one told me there was training required. Well, we can provide you the links to the online training. So how long does the online training take? The training's 4 days. 4 whole days for free online training? I don't have time for that. It's not free. Our budget doesn't have room for training. I had to fight tooth and nail to get all the budget set aside for these monthly fees on these players and everything. Sorry, I remember we had this discussed in the project meetings with your account rep. Were you part of those? I wasn't part of those project meetings. That was IT. So if we get the training done, we can put up our company newsletter on these players? Absolutely, no problem. And I can put up the pictures of our team building event from Winnipeg? Yep, 100%. We can put those pictures up as well. Well, I guess that'll do for now. At least I can talk to my admin. We can throw up our Facebook page, our Twitter feed on here as well. So, what's the problem? We can't do Facebook and Twitter? Did you purchase the feature pack? That's an extra license to unlock those features on these players, in addition to what you've already paid to purchase. Per player, per month. Carol! Call Jerry from IT! Yikes. I'd hate to be that account rep. But as you saw with this little tongue-in-cheek skit we did, we're actually highlighting a lot of the prevalent issues that are typical in digital signage deployments. With Spinetix, we address a lot of these issues with their ecosystem of players and content creation options. With Spinetix, we can actually avoid those typical reoccurring license fees on the players, content creation software, and feature licenses for the life of the product. With Spinetix, we can actually also choose our content creation platform. We can go cloud with the Spinetix Aria platform, or the typical software content creation solution with Spinetix Elementi. This leads us into training. All training is available online and free through the Spinetix Wiki support page, as well as dedicated live chat personnel on the Spinetix Aria cloud platform to assist customers in content creation, player configuration, as well as more advanced features such as video wall creation. If you'd like additional information on the Spinetix platform or to schedule a live demo of either of the content creation platforms available, feel free to reach out to your Techni+Contact regional representation. Until then, have a great summer, everybody.